Today they hire us just to do one master bathroom and the guest bathroom. A deep cleaning, just the two bathroom. I noticed that this sink doesn't drain properly, and it's because there is some hair stuck. So I bring my zipper. I don't know if you can see it. Zip it and remove some hair. So with a plastic I remove any mineral deposit. When you have a faucet that is this kind of color, it's really delicate. I prefer stainless steel that this color is. This color is really good. It's beautiful. It looks good, but it's more delicate. So we check if the sink is draining good, and it is. It's already loose. And check it out, this beauty. And we're gonna clean it. I put a container, some water. I'm gonna put some soap. That's mineral deposits, and it's because of the water. In Florida, we have hard water. This is the glass that you cannot see through. The bottom part from here, all the bottom part is cloudy. It's not shiny, it's not clear. So we will start, okay? Now you can see I already cleaned this area. I have to wipe again and dry, but the surface is clean. You can see through instead of this. What a difference, right? Between this and between this. So I have to clean this area. The bottom part is getting better. There is some mineral deposit in this edge that I have to re-clean this area. But so far, so good. Crystal clear. crystal clear.